Finally got one of the most anticipated software updates on the Tesla Model 3. Why? Because it has this feature that allows you to view onboard camera recordings right here in the car screen, rather than downloading it to your computer or plugging the thumb drive into the computer in order to view a whole bunch of tiny videos. This one is pretty much organized, but look at this. This is one of the interesting videos the camera has shot. Let's see here. Watch the cars behind this truck. Right there, and look at that. You got a spin 360. Oh, 180. That was scary. Let's watch this in the back, from the back camera recording. Alright, same thing, and there's no sound, there's no audio. So right behind this truck, right there, and it disappeared. So anyway, there was a spin that happened there. That was scary, even if look at that. Whoa, I'm glad that car didn't get hit by anyone, because I could see it in the mirror. The cars, there's not a lot of cars on the road on that day. That was about 5 p.m. April 6th, Monday in Union City. That was scary. So anyway, I think there are other updates that were included in this specific update for the Tesla Model 3 software, and I think that one of them is this one, which is the sentry icon. There's supposed to be an icon that shown the entire screen.